FenceScreen has relentlessly forged a revolutionary approach to the design, manufacture, and sale of commercial privacy and designer coverings. We offer customers direct manufacturer pricing with the largest selection of screens, banners, artificial foliage, and fence slats in America, supplying the nation's largest industries, including construction, hospitality, government, sports, and special events. But that's not what this video is about. It's about making it simple. Simple ordering online with our robust configuration tools, or receive a personalized product solution to fit any budget from one of our friendly customer service experts. Simple transformation of your ideas into impactful high-definition wraps or banners. Our in-house graphic designers ensure professional results from any graphic or photo you have available. It's about choice, with 9 million square feet of on-hand products and materials manufactured by us right here in California. It's about 100,000 square feet of custom fabricated products produced under this roof every day. It's about the 150 million square feet of product we sell every year, enough to cover the entire perimeter of the United States 2 times over. But more than technology, infrastructure, or expertise, the thing that defines us is a commitment. A commitment to an exceptional customer experience, a commitment to quality, and a commitment to innovation. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the FenceScreen difference for yourself. Call, click, or come in. We're here for you. FenceScreen.